What's up, guys? Today we're going to be deep cleaning my 350Z. Let's get straight into it. All right, so first things first, we got to get all this crud out of here. This is actually pretty embarrassing for me. I'm known for having meticulously detailed and clean cars, and this ain't that. But mind you, I got a lot of good stuff in here. None of it belongs, and all of it has its own place, so we're going to get it up out of here right now. Next, we want to go ahead and get the floor mats out. You can go ahead and vacuum those, as well as get the area around them. Look at that. Disgusting. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get these seats on out. Here we go. All right, now that we got, oh shit, that's right. Go ahead and begin to lift this thing. Gotta look under. There should be some wires to disconnect. We gotta just trace them, disconnect them, and be done with it. Not too shabby in here. I'm not seeing any broken shards of glass. This looks like it's plastic. So I don't think this car's ever been broken into. So not terrible. Now let's go do the same thing on the other side. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Dang. See, it pays to clean your car, folks.
That's nasty.
Pro tip, guys, I'm under here disconnecting these wires, but I didn't realize this guy is scratching up my paint. So if you guys don't want that to happen to you, use your seat belt or like a microfiber right in this area, or just wrap it around this edge, or both edges actually, so you don't end up messing up your paint. Oh yeah, and interior trim pry tools save lives. If you're wondering why my hand is like in this position, it's because it's holding up the entire weight of this chair and my other hand is recording. So I'm gonna get back to this. Now that we got just about everything stripped out of the car, I'm gonna do a deep cleaning in this area in particular, because I spilled some oil in here and it gets all over shit. So I gotta hit it with 75% degreaser, 25% water. I'm gonna scrub this bad boy down. This whole piece comes out, so I will be doing that next. Might as well get started now. Yeah, gonna do the same thing to the carpets up front. We're gonna have a whole new smelling car, guys. I'm excited. Whole new smelling, whole new feeling, whole new driving car. It's going to get me back up to my standard of having super meticulous cars. And then next on this thing, I want to do that interior revitalization video. Watch out for that one on the next one. All right, now we got everything out of here. As I remove this, you can kind of see the discoloration right there, showing just where the oil seeped in at. You can kind of see the stain. Yeah, you can see the stain pretty clearly right there on the back. So, I should not have done that. Make sure you don't do that when you're taking this thing out. Go ahead and lift it with both hands and get all the dirt and crap that's trapped on there out with it at the same time. But hey, we got our trusty shop vac. We're gonna make it happen either way. This is how we're looking just after vacuuming, guys. That looks amazing compared to how it looked when we first started. If you look closely, I know my body's kind of blocking the sun, but right in here, try on this side, right in this general area, there's still some stains, some crap I'm gonna squirt with some degreaser and scrub, and then we're gonna hit it again with the vac. But man, I mean, just look at this in comparison. Damn! From this to this with just a vacuum. Amazing. Let's do this side. I don't know what the fuck that is, by the way.
Hey, yo, what the?
That is nasty as fuck. I'm so glad I did this. And to those of you that know the 350Z, the doors can be extremely heavy, and for some reason they never stay open. So we got the door hinge hack 2.0. Cameron Alford, he uses a, is it Alford? Alford, I don't know how to pronounce it, but he used a floor jack. He put it right there to hold the door. This is easy. I had a bottle right here in the car, propped it, wedged it, we Gucci.
That's nasty.
Thanks, man. Thank you. That's cool, man. Selling corn. He's had to stop honking the horn and let me know how nice my car was, man. That's dope. That's love. That's love. I should have bought some corn. Damn. We'll get some from him tomorrow, though. So that part is still curing over there. Gonna let it sit and soak. And in the meantime, went ahead and took it out. Looks like I got my spare. Some good stuff over there. I usually keep a jack with me, so not too worried. But nonetheless, I don't think I'm gonna clean this part because nobody's gonna look in here anyway, other than me, and it's clean enough for me. I'm gonna take the shop vac over it, get the little crumblets out of here, maybe wipe it down with a moist towel after I'm done, just to, you know, get the excess dirt. But this looks clean enough to me. Now let's see if we can make these seats look just a little bit less gross right in here. Get that gunk, get the little dirt. Let's see what we can do. Look at the kind of disgusting things that you find. That's gum. That's disgusting. So I should have did this before I put the seat in, but I'm hitting all my black plastic pieces with some of this Meguiar's Ultimate Black right here and a microfiber. It's giving it a real nice gloss. I'm hitting all of the black spots, all down there, all up there. I mean, really shouldn't have put this seat in yet, but I'm gonna make it happen on this side too. go. Now that we got the seats back in here, everything's just about finished. I've been wanting to use this since I bought it, and it is this McGuire's air freshener. Excuse the box looking as bad as it is, but this is what it looks like. Let's read these instructions. It says the first whole car odor eliminating system permanently eliminates odors at molecular level, refreshes every area of your car, leaves a fresh, clean scent behind. These are some pretty bold statements. This guy who I bought the car from must have been a smoker or something, because it has that kind of smokerish odor in here. Let's see if this McGuire stuff can work for us. Let's read these instructions. Start the vehicle with the fan set on high, circulated cold air, and close all the windows. Done and done. With the air refresher nozzle facing away from you, activate its locking trigger. Push that guy right there. Place it in the center of the car, typically the floor between the front and back seats. It's a coupe though. What I do? I'm gonna set it right here. We're gonna be straight. Place it in the center of the car, typically the floor. Oh yeah, just said that. Close all the doors for 15 minutes. Open all the doors after 15 minutes. Turn off vehicle and let air out for 10 to 15 minutes. So basically, set it and forget it. Let's do it. All right, so first things first, we got everything we need out of the car. Since we already have it running, air is on recirculate with the AC going, and put it on max AC. No, I'm gonna keep it in the middle. I wanna be able to see the smoke for the video. I'm gonna make sure I unlock my doors, because these automatically do lock when you first turn them on. Now we're gonna pop this top. I'll get my drink out of here so I can get the hell out of here quickly. I guess I just push down and go. Oh shit. I'm gonna rebuff this hood, because it's not as shiny as it once was before I went to Oregon after I did the resurfacing video. Make sure you check that out. I'll leave a link to it. While that thing's doing work, I'm gonna be doing work. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's see how she's smelling. Oh my God, it smells good in here. Wow. Oh, it smells so fresh. Hold on, let me take my slippers off. And really soak this in, dude, because wow, it smells amazing. Okay, black chrome with black ice. I think that's a good compliment. A good complimentary little flavor mashup right there. Wow. There you have it, folks. Hope you guys really enjoyed this episode of my deep cleaning. Hope you guys tune into next week's video. I'm going to be doing my damnedest to make next week's video me resurfacing these trim pieces, because I mean, it looks great in here until you look at shit like that and like that. And I need to get that that filler piece that goes here and this, and you know, just a little stuff, man. I want to get all this stuff back to normal before I start to do any other radical things to the car. But thank you guys as always for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll catch you on the next one.